Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to do an installation and review on the Harbor Freight's 6-inch swivel vise. And here's the old one that we're removing. It busted. But before we get this removed and get this one out of the box and get it installed and do a review on it and go over the specifications on it, before we get started, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. Help my channel out, and if you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Alright, over here at the old one, we're just going to simply remove the two bolts holding it down to this bench. Let's get those removed. Alrighty guys, we got the old vise removed. Now let's get this new one out of the package and get it mounted in place. Alrighty guys, we got the new vise setting on this bench where we want it. Now we're simply going to drill the holes and get it mounted. Let's go over to the other toolbox and we'll get some drill bits and a drill so we can mount this puppy. This bench right here is an extremely old workbench. It's made out of 1/2-inch plywood and 2x4s. You know, and it was my very first workbench I ever built. I built it when I was 18. Now I'm mid-30s now. These are my old junky toolboxes on Ward and the fuck out Craftsman's. Yeah, tons of tools. And this is the big boy. This is a gigantic Harbor Freight. You know, it's over 10 foot long. It's got an addition down here on the end of it. You know, AC gauges, the whole get up. But we'll do that in another video. I gotta go buy another one this weekend actually to put on the back wall over here in the shop. I'll have two of these. I think I'm gonna buy it in blue. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. If any of y'all out there have any that are blue. There it is. And the shop here is 1,200 square foot. Oh, just a hair. Yep. Damn. Just a hair too big. 1 second, let's get a slightly smaller. Actually, you know what? I got some of one of these old ass boxes. Yeah, oh fuck, that's the same drill bit. Here's a good ass drill bits right here. They come from a. Damn, too big. Just need to go through some 1/2-inch plywood. Come on. There we go, that'll work. Alright, 1 second. We'll get that stuck in this drill. We'll get it drilled out. Alright, now we're going to drill these holes out. If y'all want to listen, you can listen. Or you can hit the mute. Just to do it live here for y'all. Alright, 1 second, we'll get this one remounted. Alright guys, we're back. We got her mounted here. And we've got it positioned just right on the bench so it can go all the way in and not hit the bench. Like I said, this is a little rinky-dink bitch. Or little rinky-dink bench, workbench. We got a great big one over there. But yeah, so let's see how this thing is as far as pressure and being stability. I want to take and get a piece of pipe and stick in this and lock it down. See how good it grabs without shaking here. I just grabbed a tire spud bar. We're going to lock it in here. we go. Tighten the bench down here. There it goes. Almost. There we go, now we can lock it in there. I'm gonna grab a big ass hammer. See how that thing does. Got a 3-pound hammer. I mean, sorry, a 3-pound hand sledgehammer. We're gonna give this thing a couple hits. See how it does as far as stability. First, we're going to give it handle. Good whack. Seems to hold. Check out the anvil part of this vise. See how it does as far as getting hit. Let's see how good it does as far as getting hit and the vise shaking. Seems to do pretty good. Like I said, it's a 3-pound sledge. Yeah, like I said, it's a hand sledgehammer. It's 3-pounder. Oh yeah, it's locked in there. I don't like the steel though. Look at that. It's not tempered. Squashed right in. Must be that shitty metal from China. See that right there? That metal squashed right in like a pancake. Which tells me it's a shitty vise. But we'll do that in another video, a quality of this Harbor Freight vise. Well, if y'all found this video useful, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you didn't already. Y'all have a great day.